let me show you how to sign up on Toobit Exchange. So I'll be leaving a link for you in the pinned comments of the video and it's on the Telegram page, and when you click on it you find yourself here. What's so important about signing up on Toobit Exchange? It is currently the only exchange available for wallet linking on Syntax Verse, right? You have the option to wait for other exchanges to also be open so you can go with them, but if in case you don't have the patience and you want to go with what's available, here is Toobit. So after clicking on the link you find yourself here. It says that you 15,000 plus USD welcome package. Well, you believe that as your own per real. So to sign up, you enter your email address, you choose password, you will find my referral ID there, and you click on sign up. Or you have the option to sign in with Google or Telegram, but I prefer to sign in with email. You'll be prompted to solve a captcha. Like what I have here, I'm supposed to select the order. So a code will be sent to your provided email address. You just copy and input it on the next page for email verification. And it says congratulations, account is created. Now you are to download the app now. I guess it's compulsory. The app download options are APK and Google Play. So let's go with Google Play. So this is Toobit on Google Play and we're installing. App download successful. Let's launch it. Allow notifications. We've already signed up, so we now log in. Let's go for the profile symbol at the top left. Click on welcome back. Enter your email address and click on next. And on the next page, you'll be prompted to provide your password. And then you solve a captcha and a verification code will be sent. This is for the login. Then you bring here, you click on paste. You're signed in. Now let's click on profile, because usually you need to complete some information like set your gender, your birthday, location, your bio, right? So what you're being asked to provide on Syntax Verse is your UID, and by creating an account you have one, so you can simply just copy your UID here. To do your KYC verification, you click on the profile symbol at the top left, you click on authenticate here. You click on authenticate, that's the primary authentication. You get 24 withdrawal limits. You get 24-hour withdrawal limit of 500,000 USDT, 24-hour deposit limit, no limit. Click on authenticate here. You select your country, you select your document type between driver's license, passport, and resident permit or ID card. Let's say I'm going with passport. Click on next. And you enter your passport information, your last name, middle name, first name, and your ID number. So by simply submitting my information here, it says my primary authentication is completed. Now the advanced authentication, we click on authenticate. Now you are to provide your personal information, which include identification information, face recognition, and all that. This may take 3 to 4 minutes, right? So you can do that any other time. That is it. So basically this is how you register on Toobit Exchange, right? As soon as I know more benefits of using the platform, I will not hesitate to share with you all. It's not too different from the rest of the exchanges that you are familiar with. The features are pretty much the same. Not too far first. Do they have any airdrop event currently running, or just commissions? You get 10% commissions from your referrals trading. So there you have, guys. Endeavor to do your own research and know better about this platform. It's new. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.